Creating and customizing work schedules, plus holiday lists in Stocky Desk. Work schedules define when your help desk is available in any time zone and when SLAs should escalate or pause. Let's build one and attach holidays, step by step. You have 2 entry points. Option 1, help desk, then more, then configure, then work schedule. Option 2, NavBar, then configure, then work schedule. If you start from option 2, you will need to link the schedule to a help desk afterward. Click Create Work Schedule. Name it, pick the right time zone, and link an existing holiday list if one fits, or create one suited to the schedule immediately. Running 2 teams in different zones? Create 2 schedules, each with its own holidays. Tap Save. A second window appears. Enter hours by day or use Apply to All for speed. Hit Save again to lock them in. SLAs tick only during these hours. Tickets raised after closing hours pause until the next business day. Need changes? Open a schedule. Press Edit to adjust name, zone, holidays, or hours. Hit Save again, or hit Delete to remove it. Time for holidays. Build from scratch. Click Create. Name the list, save, then add each holiday date. Holiday lists made during schedule creation are linked automatically. Save, or import if HR already has a sheet or CSV. Upload, map columns, and save. Need to update your holiday list? Just select it, hit Edit, and change the name. Or add and remove holidays as you like. Or, want to delete the list completely? Simply select it and click Delete. It's that easy. Lists you create later must be attached manually. Just edit the schedule and select the list. That's it. Create schedules wherever you need them, reuse holiday lists, and keep SLAs realistic, so your team rests when the system does. Ready to fine-tune your help desk hours? Jump in and build your first work schedule now.